Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Amazon Web Services step by step clearly. To scale with Amazon Web Services, begin by assessing your current infrastructure. Identify the specific needs of your application or business. Determine the traffic patterns and usage metrics of your existing systems. Set up an AWS account if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the AWS Management Console. Choose the right services for your scaling needs. Consider using Amazon EC2 for scalable compute capacity. Evaluate Amazon S3 for scalable storage solutions. Implement Amazon RDS for managed relational databases to handle increasing data loads. Explore Elastic Load Balancing to distribute incoming application traffic across multiple instances. Utilize Amazon Auto Scaling to automatically adjust capacity based on demand. Incorporate AWS Lambda for serverless computing, enabling you to run code without provisioning servers. Monitor performance with Amazon CloudWatch to track resource usage and application metrics. Ensure security by setting up an AWS IAM for managing user access and permissions. Test your scaling configuration in a staging environment before going live. Develop a backup strategy using AWS Backup to protect your data. Implement a content delivery network with Amazon CloudFront to improve performance for global users. Optimize costs by using AWS Pricing Calculator to estimate your monthly expenses. Continuously refine your architecture based on real-time performance data. Keep documentation updated for maintenance and future scaling needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.